Hi everyone, this is Infi Desires Doodle, your number one place for doodles, calligraphy, DIY and hand lettering videos. In today's video, we are going to make very easy DIY origami envelopes. Let's get started. To make the envelopes, all we need is simple origami paper, that is the craft paper also, and give 15 centimeter into 15 centimeter here, the square. So I'm going to show you 3 different types of envelopes in this video. तो मैंने यहाँ पे 3 अलग-अलग colors लिए हैं and बहुत ही easy है, simple है. This is all you need, these papers and probably even a glue stick. That's it. So let's start with the first one. Now बहुत simple है. You can follow along with the steps that I am doing it. So you can simply follow along जो steps मैं वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ. Very easy and simple ये tutorial है. एकदम easy steps है. आप एक एक करके the way I am doing in the video आप यहाँ पे एक एक step easily follow कर सकते हैं. If you find it that I'm going too fast, आप वीडियो को pause करके या वीडियो को slow motion में YouTube settings में डाल के भी देख सकते हैं. तो in this video I am done 3 very simple envelope styles. मैंने यहाँ पे छोटे पेपर्स यूज किए हैं. आप को अगर बड़े एनवेलप्स बनाने हैं in the similar manner, you can just take double the size of the square and make these super easy and super simple envelopes. तो मैंने ये DIY वाला वीडियो बहुत टाइम के बाद डाला है and I hope you like this video. These are very simple steps to follow and let me know what else you want to see on this channel. इतने टाइम से मैं काफ़ी सारे doodling और calligraphy के videos बना रही हूँ. I want to make more of DIY videos but it takes a little bit of brainstorming. So let me know in the comments आपको और आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट रिलेटेड क्या वीडियोस देखने पसंद है and we'll try to get it on the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and like every time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button, and do share my video. Stay healthy, stay safe. I will see you soon in the next video.